Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and tap on apps and notifications. Here we have to enter advanced and tap on special app access, and here let's find the option which is called install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So in order to allow, for example, Chrome to install something, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and device under risk. So remember about that. And of course, it will work the same with all other apps. So all you have to do is to simply tap on it and tap on the switcher. If you want to, you can always turn off the permission. Just tap on it, in my case Chrome, and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.